How to add multiple photos to Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how can you add multiple photos to Instagram story. Now to do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. But before that, make sure that the application is completely updated. Now to begin with, open up your Instagram application and you'll be taken to this page. So here you want to click on your story from the top right. Now there are a couple of different ways to do it so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and take a random photo just like this. And once I've actually done it so, now this is the photo. What I'm gonna do is click on the sticker. This is gonna be a background just for the sake. You could actually take a random photo as well and click on the sticker icon from the top right, and then you want to go to the photos, after which you could go ahead and select multiple. Now you could go ahead and adjust it. Once again, click the sticker, select other photo that you want, and then once again go to sticker, find the photo that you want to upload it. Now do the same procedure, that is find the photo that you want to upload it, so just like this, and you'll have successfully added multiple photos to Instagram story. Now similarly, there is another way to do it. So what you have to do is you want to come to this page once again, or you could just go ahead and click on your story, and from the top you want to click on photos. After which you could go ahead and select multiples, but then this is going to be in a separate format. So if you're sure about it, you could go with that, and you'll be able to add it to a layout as well. It has been added to as a layout, and that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.